Hallo, ek is E.T. Welkom by my kanaal waar ons als saam doen. In this video, I teach you prepositions of place. Prepositions are called voorsetsels in Afrikaans. Prepositions of place are words that tell you where one object is in relation to another or where you or a person are in relation to an object. Onder, onder. That is the Afrikaans for under. Now this refers to something being directly under something else. Like you can see in the picture, the ball is stuck directly under the box and the box is on top of the ball. Die bal is onder die box. The ball is under the box. Daar is 'n monster onder my bed. There is a monster under my bed. Op. Op. Op means on. But op also has another meaning which we will look at in a different video. So just keep in mind that a few of the Afrikaans prepositions, like op, has different meanings and sometimes they are also even different prepositions. Die bal is op die box. The ball is on the box. Die koffie is op die tafel. The coffee is on the table. And then there's a different one called bo-op. Bo-op means on top of. Die appel is bo-op die boeke. The apple is on top of the books. Voor, voor. In this case, it means in front of. Die bal is voor die box. The ball is in front of the box. Sy staan voor die deur. She stands in front of the door. Agter, agter, behind. Die bal is agter die box. The ball is behind the box. Die hond is agter die heining. The dog is behind the fence. Here we have onder again, but now you see that it means below. In Afrikaans, the word onder means both under and below. So when you translate from English, the word onder will be the word you'll use for both below and under. And you don't have to wonder in Afrikaans which one should I use because there is only one, and that is onder. So in this case, it means below. Die bal is onder die box. The ball is below the box. And in the case of below, you'll see there's a space. So the ball is not stuck under the box. It is just below the box in relation to the box, but there is a gap. Sy naam is onder myne op die lys. His name is below mine on the list. Bo, bo, above. Die bal is bo die box. The ball is above the box. Die arend vlieg bo die wolke. The eagle flies above the clouds. In, basically the same word, just different pronunciation. Die bal is in die box. The ball is in the box. Sy bly in 'n huis. She lives in a house. Langs, langs. That means next to. Die bal is langs die box. The ball is next to the box. Sy het langs hom gaan sit op die bank. She sat down next to him on the couch. Tussen, tussen, between. Die bal is tussen twee bokse. The ball is between two boxes. Die hond slaap tussen ons. The dog sleeps between us. Ver van, ver van, far from. Very important when you use ver van in a sentence in Afrikaans, you have to put the word af at the back of the sentence. Why? I do not know. But that is the way we taught, that is the way we learn, and that is the way we speak and write. So remember ver van and then af. at the end of the sentence. Die uil is ver van die boks af. The owl is far from the box. Ons staan ver van mekaar af. We stand far away from each other. So remember, af. Naby, naby, near. Die uil is naby die boks. The owl is near the box. Ons is naby die einde. We are near the end. Last one for this video. Onder of tussen. Onder of tussen. That means among. Of course, it does depend on the circumstances. Onder, as you well know at this point, does not always mean among. It means below. It also means under. Woohoo! Tussen means between. And it makes sense that it can also mean among. So these are definitely one or two of those prepositions that have multiple uses as prepositions. Never mind any other meanings they may or may not have. So when it's a crowd, when you are among people, it's usually tussen mense. And we don't say onder mense. In some context you can, but usually we'll just say, tussen mense. Ons is tussen mense. We are among people. Die uil is tussen die ander uile. The owl is among the other owls. Ons is onder die wenners. We are among the winners. Haan onder die henne. Rooster among the hens. And that is a saying, haan onder die henne, that we use in Afrikaans to refer to a guy that is very popular among the ladies or with the ladies. Daar is 'n rumoer onder die duwe. There is a commotion among the pigeons.